Sher Haidri Naqshbandi Shazli is a spiritual personality and spiritual physician who is related to the Naqshbandi Shazli series. The main aspect of his personality is to provide his spiritual guidance and support to the people to solve religious and spiritual problems, products, spiritual knowledge. Sher Haidri Naqshbandi Shazli rarely has deep spiritual knowledge, and through his guidance, he strives to bring people closer to Allah. Sufism and correction self. They work to normalize the teachings of Sufism and to improve the population of people. Spiritual healing. Sher Haidri Naqshbandi Shazli is rarely known as a spiritual therapist and provides support for solving various problems through Quranic verses and prayers, public services. Another aspect of Sher Haidri Naqshbandi Shazli personality is that he supports him in the difficulties of the people and suggests prayers and scholarships for them. Sher Haidri Naqshbandi Shazli belongs to the Naqshbandi series. It is a combination of two great streams of Sufism and emphasizes Sikh in the path of the Almighty. Sher Haidri Naqshbandi Shazli personality has had a profound impact on the lives of many, and by his guidance, many people have gained religious and spiritual benefits. Their message is to love, peace, and to Allah.